Hey there mga Mards! Today we are going to do another unboxing, but this time I will just unbox two products. Okay, so I have here a big one and a smaller one. Yeah, this one obviously is from Lazada and this is from Shopee. So I bought this for my car. If you have watched my previous unboxing mga Mards, I bought things for my car. And eto yung hinihintay ko, yung pinakahuli. Ayan, meron pang buhok ni Hoshi. Ano ba yan? I waited for this one. Okay mga Mards, so let us start with this one. This is a car accessory. I hope this one looks good. I already bought one like this before. It's in color red. I just removed that one from my car because alam mo yun, the material is like bang tawag dun sa material na yun, yung parang yung mga project ng mga bata. yung parang cloth but it's not cloth. This one is from what I remember, it's leather. So just like the one I have in my car. Because you know, women, when they get into the car, they have so many things like the bag and so on. Yun na lang. Okay, so ayun na, pinit ko pa. This is what you call the car seat storage bag. Okay, so it is placed at the back of the driver's seat or at the back of the front seat. Okay. Let me just show you. I just bought one mga Mards. And I have other plans for the back seat of the other front seat. Okay. So this is it. So it's in synthetic leather. Okay. So eto siya. Wow. Okay, so this is the back. Alright, so ayan. Ito yung mga pang ano niya, panlagay. Okay? And ito yung harap mga Mards. Okay, so ayan. Let me just go to the side. Okay. So eto siya. So you can put if you have a tissue, dito yung tissue. And here, kung siguro payong, ewan ko, anong pwede may ilagay dyan. And here, you can put a bottle of water or alcohol maybe. So you can also put things here. And there's more mga Mards. So you can open this Velcro here. You can remove the Velcro here. Okay. And you can pull it down like so. Okay. So, okay, you can still place other things here. And here, if you are eating, you can put like chips or bread, and you can also use your tablet, place it here so you can watch movie, or if you're doing something, or you can also put your laptop here. O diba? Bongga. And then if you're not using it, you can just close it, put it back, and like so. O diba? And then ganyan lang siya. So this one, you can just hook it under the driver's seat. So it's in black. So kahit maapak-apakan yan, hindi yan nadudumihan. Like if it's just dust, it can be washed out easily. So yun, ito talaga yung gusto ko mga Mards. This is really what I really like about this. You can open it like so, and you can put your laptop here. You can put your tablet here, and then you can just watch if you're at the back. Okay, so eto na lang ang kulang sa aking sasakyan, so that the passenger at the back will be also comfortable. So, mga Mards, this one cost me 368. So, I like that. My next purchase is from Lazada. So, I bought this for 974 pesos. Okay. So, let me just open it for you now. Oops! Muntik na. Okay. So, you know mga Mards, before, that was a year ago, I bought a gimbal, and that is the Mendoza gimbal. So I use it a few times because it's really heavy. My hands really easily gets tired. And when I bought a cell phone that has a stabilizer, I didn't use it already, so I just sell it to my friend. And lately, I just thought again of having a gimbal. And when I saw this in Lazada, it's very slim stabilizer. It's more of like the selfie stand that I have. I really want to buy this one. So now I have it. It's been, I think it's been with me already for days. And I'm just waiting for this moment to unbox it in front of you. And I hope magugustuhan ko siya. Okay, so this is the selfie stick tripod, and as you can see, it's gimbal stabilizer selfie stick tripod LO8. So ayan, manipis lang siya. AI selfie stick, smart, stable tripod, aluminum rod, wireless remote. So it also has a wireless remote just like the selfie sticks. Alright, so let me see kung nakakabalance nga siya. We will try it, mga mards. So let me just open it first. Okay. Okay, nice packaging. It's parang mamahalin ang itsura. Yung packaging niya actually parang mamahalin. So let us open it. Wow! See? Look at that. Oh, diba? Bongga. And it says here gimbal stabilizer. Okay, selfie stick tripod. May kasama siyang charger cable. So, tingnan natin kung meron pa sa loob. It has a instruction manual. Take time to read. Nagbabasa din naman ako minsan. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's open it. Ayan. And then, so eto siya. Okay, that's how it is. Alright. Ayan, ano siya, na-open. Okay, magbasa, baka masira. Hindi siya nag-ano. Okay, so how about yung ganito naman? Try natin and then let us, saan na ba yun? Okay, let's try it this way. Ipon, ayan, okay. Ayan, stable na siya. Oh, so Disney. Okay. Okay, so let me try it. Lalabas muna ako, mga mards. Subukan natin ang video ng ating bagong gimbal. So let me just go. It works! It works! Wow! Wow! It works! So, i-off na natin mga mards. Para hindi maubos ang battery. So, here, you just long press para, ayan, see that? Umikot na naman siya ng umikot. Okay! Well, comparing to the Mendoza gimbal, the Mendoza gimbal has more features. So, pwede siyang tumaas, pwede bumaba. So, may pinipindot ka lang para siyang it's like a robot. But, I really want a gimbal that just stabilizes. No more than that. Ang hirap ng marami kang pinipindot. But if you really want to have that kind of gimbal, I would advise you to opt for that one kasi kailangan mo lang masanay. You just have to get used to it. Okay? So you must know how to use that one. So this one is just a simple gimbal, and for me, this is what I like. It serves also as a selfie stick, and it's really nice. You can also extend it the way you want it to. For 974, this is really a nice gimbal. Maganda siya mga mards. I would recommend you to buy this one. Those who are vlogging outside, this one is a really nice, very light gimbal for you. And it's so easy to use mga mards. Yeah, I will provide the link on the description box down below if you want to buy this kind of gimbal. Thank you so much mga mards. This has been Ryce DG. I will see you again on my next one. Bye! Box. If you have watched my previous if you have watched my previous unboxing mga mards, ano ba yan? So eto yung tay ko. Oh. Okay, so I waited for this. Okay. So, hindi ko na alam paano balik.